to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. I do drop new content on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into this video. It is Wednesday, March 17th, about almost market close before after hours, and I want to talk about sundial growers, ticker symbol SNDL. Now up 3% today to $1.57. But today, you guys, after the market closes, earnings for the fiscal 2020 year, full year and fourth quarter 2020 financial results will be released. And tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time, which is 7:30 a.m. Pacific, depending on where you are, SNDL will host a conference call and webcast tomorrow to discuss the financial results. And to access the webcast of the call, you need to visit this link here. I will put this link in the description of this video. So make sure you guys go and watch the webcast tomorrow if you are an investor in SNDL. It's very, very important to be interested and know what's going on with the companies that you do invest in. So really quick background, you guys. If you are unfamiliar with SNDL, licensed producer that crafts cannabis using state-of-the-art indoor facilities. Our craft at sale modular growing approach, award-winning genetics, and experienced master growers set us apart. Again, Canadian operations cultivate small batch cannabis using an individualized room approach with 448,000 square feet of total space. They have a brand portfolio that includes Top Leaf, Sundial Cannabis, Palmetto, and Grasslands. Our consumer packaged goods experience enables us to not just grow quality cannabis, but to create exceptional consumer and customer experiences. Okay, so just wanted to make this video, you guys, before the financial results are announced on March 17th, which is later today, actually probably in a couple hours. They will be announced, and then tomorrow is the webcast. You guys, currently sitting at $1.56. I did let you guys know about SNDL at 47 cents. So hopefully you guys have made some significant gains from that video till now. But I just wanted to talk about a few things related to SNDL before these earnings are announced, because I think we could see some very good earnings here, in my opinion, and we could see this start to really creep up to the $2 level, possibly above $2. I think it's been steadily growing, you guys. SNDL has been. If we take a look at the 3-month, or let's take a look at the 6-month chart here, we can see SNDL has been obviously steadily growing. A lot of people have made significant money since, around the beginning of the new year. But back on February 10th, it went absolutely crazy, cleared $3, has since dipped down, but we're seeing a nice level out here and slowly creeping back up. And I think the earnings will give us a good idea about where this stock is headed. So I wanted to talk about a few things regarding SNDL and they've been doing recently. So the big news, you guys, was that Sundial on Monday, they did announce a strategic capital partnership with SAF Group, forming a 50-50 joint venture. And in general, to me, I feel like joint ventures shouldn't really do too much for a stock. But a lot of people online, Reddit, Wall Street Bets Group, a lot of people that do talk about SNDL really liked this, and people are believing that this could lead to a potential, a big thing for SNDL, for a stock that's been extremely popular, right? So SNDL is actually top 5 most traded stocks on Robinhood, and a lot of people are pushing things online as far as throw your whole stimulus check into SNDL, this, that, and another. But right now, SNDL is still unprofitable, and a lot of investors are fully aware of that. They've been close to bankruptcy and delisting, NASDAQ delisting, being under $1 and whatnot. But again, I've said in previous videos related to SNDL, they have been improving their business metrics, and just this strategic capital partnership with SAF Group just continues to add to that. I think there's a lot of people that want, and I know SNDL is looking to acquire, more businesses and just, maybe potentially join a Canadian SPAC that could, help them grow even more. But SAF, you guys, which I guess their new corporation is going to be Sunstream Bancorp, there's a private equity and credit investment, and they're using this to essentially grow on a global scale. U.S. market, when that happens, federal legalization of cannabis is obviously a budding gold mine. Mexico, to the south, just recently, the lawmakers approved a bill for recreational cannabis in Mexico. So in North America alone, a lot of things still in play, and a lot of cannabis companies ready to go when everything gets fully legalized. And SNDL at the given price point, I feel like is definitely a stock to keep an eye on. SNDL compared to other Canadian cannabis companies is relatively kind of small. Revenue around 776 million Canadian in revenue last year. And right now, SNDL has a stock valuation of around 2.7 billion currently. So I really think at the $1.56 before earnings, again, earnings coming up in a couple hours from the time I release this video, I think SNDL is a very appropriately priced. I think there's definitely things that need to align for this stock to go crazy. I mean, we're talking about crazy, we're talking about like a $5 stock. I mean, there's a lot of people that got in sub $1, so anything from there on is significant gains. But I just think right now SNDL's trading like crazy. A lot of things going on. A lot of people are believing it's just short-term momentum. There is some volatility to SNDL as well. A lot of people just think about SNDL and think about volatility. So I think right now is a solid hold for SNDL. Not looking to enter anymore. Currently, definitely going to wait for those earnings to come out. I would say I'm a bullish investor on SNDL and a long-term investor. Most of the stocks I do invest in is for medium and long-term holds. But right now, I think if you're a long-term investor, something to take a look at. SNDL, you guys, earnings coming up today, like I said. So make sure you guys tune into that and pay attention to what comes out as far as the earnings goes. Just wanted to make this video to update you guys on SNDL. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about SNDL and what price you guys got in it. Drop a like on this video. Hit the notification bell as well. And as always, you guys have a great day.